Welcome to episode number 39. My name is Nathan Ziegler, the upper school principal at Hope Academy. Today's special guest is Mrs. Rylander, our general music teacher. You know those candy bars, the Almond Joy kind? Well, she's going to teach us how to make some of those types of snacks today.
Special guest with Mr. Z.
Hi everybody, I'm missing you all and I wanted to share a recipe for Almond Joys. You're going to need 1/3 of a cup of milk or cream, 1 cup of chocolate chips, a cup of sweetened coconut, and 1 1/4 cups of powdered sugar, and then almonds for the top. Start with your milk and add in your chocolate chips. Let's go to the microwave and heat this up. I do 30 seconds stir, 30 seconds stir, and that keeps it from burning. If you've got wax paper, that's better. Then you don't have to spray it. I'm just going to spray this, stir this with a fork. Just going to heat it for about 10 seconds. Look at this. Powdered sugar first. We've got 1 1/4 cups of powdered sugar. Okay, so now we're going to add in our coconut. Oh, these are going to be scrumptious. I'm just kind of trying to shape these a little bit. Now we're just going to add our almonds. And then you're going to stick these in the fridge for about 2 hours. And then they should peel off. Et voila. Enjoy, my friends. Miss you all. Happy days.
Thank you, Mrs. Rylander. Those look delicious. I'm going to have to try some of those myself. Mr. Quiggle, it's your turn.
It's Quarantine with Quiggle.
Nutritious.
These are a great source of dad jokes for me, so I'm going to continue with Vince Romariak's Indian Hills Community Sign Facebook page jokes. Dogs can't operate MRI scanners, but cats can. My mood ring is missing, and I don't know how I feel about that. Well, to be frank, I'd have to change my name. I'm terrified of elevators, and I'm taking steps to avoid them. Yesterday's riddle was, what day within a week of today does not end in Y? The answer is tomorrow. Doesn't end in Y. Today's riddle is, from the beginning of eternity to the end of time and space, to the beginning of every end and the end of every place, what am I?
This day in history with Mr. Randall.
On May 14, 1908, Wilbur Wright successfully flew his plane for a short trip of 2,000 feet. He had flown his plane many times before, but that flight was special because Wilbur was accompanied by a passenger, Charles Furness, which made this the first ever passenger flight in history.
Today's advice is from senior Ridwan Ali.
Hope seniors, they're all really nice. Hope seniors, gonna give you advice. Hope seniors, what they say should suffice. Hope seniors, seniors.
Hey guys, so I would like to share a couple of advice with y'all, and one of them is you have to be true with yourself, so don't be shy to express who you are. I know you guys heard this a lot, but it's actually true, and it will help you in the long run. You have to surround yourself with people that will accept you for who you are, because if you're always down because of the people you surround with yourself, so it's crucial that you find friends that will accept you for the person you are. So also you have to enjoy your high school years because it goes by fast, and it's actually true because I can remember my first day of high school, actually my first day of 9th grade, and then here I am with 3 weeks left of my senior year. So yeah, high school goes by fast, so you have to enjoy each moment and don't take each time for granted. Also, I would like to thank my parents for sacrificing everything for me and giving me the best education I could ever ask for.
Thank you so much, Ridwan. Have a wonderful day, everyone.